I'm Sbrina Scuri. I am a member of ITI-LARSIS, the Interactive Technologies Institute in Madeira, and I'm also collaborating with the Decentral Lab in Lisbon at Instituto Superior Técnico. We need to understand a bit of everything. That's actually the real value, I think, of design. I always thought that design is not a standalone discipline, but its real value lies in the ability of bringing a contribution to other disciplines, bringing our perspective, which is fundamental. There are a lot of research institutions and also companies that are looking at design as a way to provide a different perspective, a new sort of innovation. So I think that this is what is required now from a designer. What is required in the curriculum of a designer is getting more technical skills, get a better understanding of the technology, and also get our hands dirty with programming and these sort of things, which it doesn't mean that at the end of the day, if you work as an interaction designer, for instance, you need to develop and actually program an interface, but understanding better what happens behind the scene helps you designing an interface in the right way. So we need to learn a bit of what is behind the scene and the kind of things that our job influence. Everything is communication. That's why I actually didn't have many difficulties in start working on these topics, blockchain technologies, peer-to-peer energy trading. It sounds very technical, but at the end of the day, it's not. Everything is about communication. You can use the most effective, fantastic technology ever, but if you're not able to explain people how to use it, that technology is not perfect. Even if you do an interview, for instance, to understand the needs of a user in order to develop an interface for them. During the interview, people say something, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they're saying what they actually think. And we have to practice and grow that skill, understanding that what really matters, the actual insight, is not what they said, but maybe where they looked at. Or one single word that might not seem that important, but that means everything. That is extremely hard, takes a lot of experience, takes a lot of years, but I think that is what a designer really, especially a communication designer, really needs. We had great masters at Politecnico. I had the chance to meet Prandi. I actually went to an event. I met Thomas Maldonado. Those are the people that have inspired me. All of my professors. In that sense, Politecnico of Milan is the design school, is the perfect place to be if you want to become an actual designer, because you have the chance to get in touch with the past, the masters, and at the same time explore something new. That's the best part of this school, I think. It's linked to the past, to the ground of design, and at the same time is looking at the future.